After weeks of silence after Jesse Butler took a plea deal in a Stillwater rape case of multiple victims to avoid jail time, the Payne County DA is speaking out.
Fox 25's Rob Hagan live in Stillwater with the response of the district attorney to the victims' claims their rights were violated under Marcy's law. Rob?
Wendy, Adam, the Jesse Butler battle continues, this time between the Payne County DA and the lawyer who filed the Marcy's Law motion. Now, she says the plea deal violated her client's rights, but the DA says the victims always knew about the possible outcome.
Jesse, why did you rape those girls, Jesse? Do you have anything to say to the victims, Jesse? Why did you rape those girls? Are you as dumb as they say you are, Jesse?
It's the rape case still drawing explosive anger after 18-year-old Jesse Butler, who faced a 78-year sentence behind bars, got probation after accepting a plea deal. This is the reaction of that decision at Monday's review hearing.
Right back! Why'd you rape him? Right back! Why'd you rape him? Why did you do You're a piece of right? You're a scumbag. So are you, Jack? What kind of a monster piece of You didn't know scream for
Mac,
help.
you too, you little scum.
After months of backlash, a motion filed to defend victims' rights in a national news story, Payne County District Attorney Laura Thomas is finally responding to the public outcry. Thomas sent a statement saying, quote, "As a youthful offender, the accused has an opportunity for rehabilitation but can be transitioned to adult status and adult punishment if those efforts fail. Should he fail, he faces reclassification as an adult and a sentence of 10 years in prison." Thomas says she explained to the victims this was likely the outcome because the 2 counts of attempted rape out of 11 charges were the only ones that could be filed in adult court. Thomas also sent a statement in response to the accusations made by the victim's family on ABC News. Thomas says each of the 3 people involved were 16 years old at the time of the alleged crimes reported during consecutive dating relationships, and the allegations weren't reported until after the relationships ended. Thomas says, quote, "These circumstances don't justify criminal behavior or minimize victim trauma, but they do impact the evidence available for a prosecution and potential defenses." Thomas says victims did have the chance to share impact statements at the time of the pleas. Thomas says, quote, "We have to make decisions based on the law and the available evidence, even when it is contrary to their desires." Now, DA Thomas has compared the challenges of the Butler case to the new rape case involving Canyon Porter. She says in the Porter case, he did not have a relationship with the victim. The outcry was immediate, and he was just days away from his 18th birthday. Live in Stillwater, Rob Hagan, Fox 25 News.